Hey guys, Om here back again with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get the battery percentage value in your Flutter application. So locate yourselves to this battery package or just type out this URL into your browser. Okay, so the next step is going to be installing this package. So just copy these dependencies in your pubspec YAML file right here and click on pubget, and once you do that, just get back to the package and import this statement in your application right here as I have done it. So the next step would be to go to the readme. Okay, we have got some things right here, but before that let's go back to our application and see what's present in here. Okay, so in our app we've just included the material dot and the Cupertino dot with the battery package, and once this is done, it has the void main which runs the my app, and my app is a stateless widget which extends with material app scaffold, and then we've got the stateful widget which is the battery status right here, and which this status returns a container widget right here. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to add a child in here, which is going to be a raised button, and in here we're going to just add on pressed events. Okay, well, what we want to do now is we want to center this, so let's add a center widget right here, and let's refactor the code by pressing Alt, Control and L. Okay, now this raised button is going to have a child which is going to be a text widget, and here it's gonna have a battery percent and this right here. Let's update this value later on in the video, but till then let's go back to the documentation in here, and the next step is to copy this and instantiate the variable. I'm just going to do it outside of my class so that it becomes a global variable. Okay, now I'm gonna print this battery. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna print the battery level, but it is going to be a future widget, so obviously I'm going to get an error which I need to type out a sync in order to get rid of this error. And now in this case, just save and run this app, and boom, you can get the battery percentage right here. Okay, can you see that? This is the battery percentage. Now if you want to double check the values, you can actually do this, and as you can see, we've got the 62% on the both sides. Okay, so the next step is going to be to update our UI, to tell our UI that the battery has been changed. So how do we do that? Is we need to get a integer, we need to declare an integer which basically is battery percent, and let's set the value to 0. You can pretty much set it to anything, but I'm just going to go with 0. Okay, so here all I need to do is I need to update the battery percent with this code right here. Okay, and don't forget to add a semicolon. And now still the app, the button, the raised button is not going to have the battery percentage. Why? And this is because we have not refreshed our UI at this point. So how do we do that? Is in the stateful widget we can do it with this set state method, and all we need to do is just type out the battery percent, and that's it. Okay, now in this case if we run the app right now and if we click on the battery percentage, okay, my bad, we also need to update it in our text widget like this, battery percent right here. Okay, save and run the app, and as you can see we've got the 62% battery, we can change the battery and check if it's really working up. So as you can see, it really works flawlessly, and you can add an icon of battery if you want and decorate your app as per your wish. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome Flutter videos.